Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung phone not showing call logs or recent call history on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and search the phone app. Now click on phone app and go to its storage. Now here in phone app storage, click on clear cache to clear the cache memory of phone app. Now after doing this, go back to apps and now search contacts. Now open the contacts app and go to its storage. Now do the same, click on clear cache to clear the cache memory of contacts app. Now after doing this, the Samsung phone will start showing the call logs or recent call history. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.